Bro, this phone sucks. I think I might need a new one.
Hey there, son.
Dad! Wait. How did you hear me? I thought you went to buy the milk.
I heard you from a mile away. From my quest to getting you milk. Anyways, I got you this phone on my way back here.
Thanks, Dad.
Well, time to get back onto my quest. See you, son.
Wait! Don't go! Hey Five Jammers, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new Xiaomi POCO X5. As it says on the front of the box, POCO X5, like we really needed to know what it was. 5G connectivity will vary based on local operator capabilities. And on this side, again, the name, like we need it. With your favorite Google apps, Google is a trademark of Google LLC. Okay, same thing down here, and on the bottom, POCO X5 5G. Again, black, 8GB RAM and 258GB ROM. I barely know those words. All I know, fast and good. Package contents: mobile phone, adapter, a USB Type-C cable, and a SIM eject tool, protective case. I don't need to buy one? A quick start guide, a warranty card, and a safety information. Product name: mobile phone. What? Product model: 221113117 PG. Manufacturer: Xiaomi Communication. What does co mean? Yeah, it's LTD. I don't know what LTD means. Big words, I understand. And it shows these things. Half of them, I don't really know what they mean. So now, let's start opening the box. People are gonna laugh at me for using this. Is it cutting? I don't know. I haven't unboxed something like this, I think. Where have I? Oh, never mind. Yes. Ooh, this box. Honestly, it looks so much cooler without the plastic on top. I'm gonna put my sharp flashlight here. Okay, now it's time to open it. Now that is smooth. That is... Again, more names. So yeah, what is this? Tell me, I need to know what this is. Please tell me. Oh, this protective case and the warranty card. So here's the warranty card. I'll need that for later on. And then a quick start guide. Yes, words. I'll need a dictionary for this. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. What? Never mind. Safety information. Like I'll never need that. And then here is the protective case. Nothing too special about it. Pretty rubbery. The mat is good. I like it overall. Okay, now the moment we've all been waiting for. The POCO X5 5G with 120Hz FHD plus, I don't know what that means, AMOLED dot display, NFC enabled, 3.5mm headphone jack, and it says AMOLED over here. Snapdragon 69 processor, advanced nanometer process. I think that's what it means. Is that what it means? And a 33 watt fast charging. Yes, fast charging. You heard that right, guys. This is fast charging. 500 mAh TYP battery, and then 48 MP. What's MP mean? AI triple camera, ultra wide and macro lenses. Okay, so now how do I get this? Like this? Wait, what am I? Yeah, I think I was supposed to do that. Here's the phone, which I will get onto later. First, okay, the garbage over there. Here it is. I think I shouldn't remove it. 33 watt charger. Yes, charger. And here's the cable with its little own QR code. I'm gonna scan that later. And finally, the phone. Okay, now it's connecting. Next, getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. So yeah, copy apps and data. No, don't copy, because I never had a Samsung nor Google related phone. Checking my info. What? Do you work for the government? Tell me. No? Okay. Wait. Ooh. I'll skip that. Skip, yeah, skip. Accept, of course. Skip this for a minute. Okay. And more time consuming. Oh, never mind. Basic. Yes. Set my lock screen. Skip. I'm ready to rock. Setup complete. You're ready to rock. Well, officially, I'm in love with this phone now. I love it. It's much better than this old guy, but he has a special place in my heart. So yeah. Okay, now this background is sick. What the hell? What? I've got Genshin Impact in here. That's nice. So, I'll give this phone a 10 out of 10. Also, if you want to buy this phone, it only costs like 110 Omani Riyals if you know where I live. So yeah, pretty cheap. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to also leave your comments down below so that I'll be able to see them and see your suggestions and all that. See you soon, guys. Bye!